Happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday, anak. Payden and then Lex, sana lagi kayong gagabayan ni Lord, lagi magpapakabait, lagi matatakot kay Papa Jesus. Maraming salamat sa inspirasyon na binibigay niyo sa amin. Thank you din po sa lahat-lahat ng taong nagmamahal sa dalawa. Maraming salamat po. And happy birthday. And God bless you, anak. Stay healthy. At lagi lang makikinig sa nanay at tatay, sa tita at dito, sa ate at kuya, and even po sa mga teachers. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Kambal, 7 years old na kayo. Pag sinabing 7 years old, yan yung you are prepared for the progressive of your life. Physically, mentally, socially, and spiritually. So, when you grow up, just remember that your 7 years today is a blessing to the family. So, Kambal, good luck on your birthday.
Happy birthday, Kambal! Sana lumaki kayong mababait at may takot sa Diyos. Magmahalan palagi at laging mahalin si nanay at si tata. Happy birthday, Kambal!
Happy birthday, Kambal! More birthday to come. Good health lagi.
Happy birthday, Kambal! Sana lumaki kayong mabait at more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Kambal!
Birthday, twins. Hope you're having a great birthday. I'm your
Happy 7th birthday, Kambal. I wish you a good health and mag-aral mabuti, bawasan ng kulit para hindi ma-stress si Mami, okay? See you next year. Bye-bye.
Hello, Kuya Denlex. Happy 7th birthday din sa iyo, anak. Ang wish ni Teacher Cathy para sa birthday mo ay sana ipagpatuloy mo ang pagiging mabuting bata.
Kuya Bunso, go! Yeah! Another one! Oh, come on! Wow! Wow! Palakpakan! 1, 2,